Yeah, so we are right now at MG Road and I need to buy some
Gym shoes.
sport shoes, ठीक है? Because the ones that I am using right now, उनका हो चुका है. They are 8 years old. I bought them in 11th grade back in 2017. So we are now at MG Road, Nike store behind us, and we are going to buy shoes. Yaar, I came into Nike store and it's giving me flashbacks. Jordans. I used to wear these a lot when I was in college, right? You remember, don't you?
Buy them too much. You have too many pairs.
I have like 5-6 pairs of Jordans, but today we're not here for Jordans. We are here specifically for workout shoes. I am thinking these Metcons look good. How much do you think these shoes will cost?
6,000 rupees.
Huh? 6 minimum 12 to 15,000.
What are you saying?
Yeah, minimum 12,000, boss. Nike is expensive. Bro, 8 years back, the shoes that my dad bought me, Adidas Ultra Boost, that costed 18k. 8 years back. Which shoes do you wear to the gym?
Converse. Pink color Converse.
How much are these?
8,500.
It actually does look good.
So this is the one that I'm going with. Size 10. Shoes have been acquired. Shoes का cost था 8,500. मैंने लिया है black color में. What are you pointing?
Shoe bag. Where is your
Where
shoe?
is the shoe bag? So ये लोग warehouse से मंगाएंगे and I will pick it up in 1.5 hour. Until then, we need to grab dinner. What do we eat?
Feel like eating a burger, you know?
You feel like eating a burger?
I
Huh?
never feel like eating a burger. Think about it.
You know what we should eat? Something that rhymes with shoe. Sushi. You want to eat sushi?
Oh my god, yeah, I actually don't mind eating sushi.
I am thinking there's one place called as Azuki Bistro. That's in Richmond Road.
Okay.
It's a 20-minute walk. We can go there. We'll get our steps also. But the only problem is this Azuki Bistro is a little too pricey. Yeah, and I don't have money. This 8,000 rupees that I have bought, guys, credit card pe liya hai. I don't have any money right now. Everything I spent on the video that I uploaded on my main channel, 10,000 calorie challenge in Taj. That video has costed me over 1 lakh all put together.
It's too much money. Oh my god.
My flights, my stay, the food, cameraman. It's costed me 1 lakh. That's all the money I had.
I wasn't there on that trip, so.
You weren't there, yeah, but the video came out very good. So we have decided sushi and we are going to
Daily sushi.
Daily Sushi. It's on Church Street itself, right here. My first time, I thought I'll go to that Azuki Bistro, but I couldn't afford it.
Our first time.
Oh, our first time. I'm so sorry.
Ouch.
Guys, she wants to be included in everything. Is it raining or is somebody pissing on me?
Yeah.
Guys, Chef and I usually go to fancy places, but today I am short of money and we still want to eat out. That's the funny part, you know. पैसे नहीं है फिर भी we are eating out. Guys, let me give you a view of this place. It's unlike any other place I've ever been to, right? It looks neat and clean, very minimalist. It's like fancy fast food,
Fancy fast food. That's a nice way to describe it actually.
right? It looks like a fancy fast food chain. Guys, today for a change, Chef Ali is going to order everything. I'm not ordering anything. What are you gonna order?
Are you gonna make me pay the bill also?
Oh my god. Bro,
I'm
look,
only gonna pay since you're broke.
she is doing all this drama, but end of the day, I have to pay from my credit card.
I'm a independent man.
You're an independent man.
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, they have put calories on the menu. Bro, that's crazy. They put calories on the menu. Okay, now please make some better decisions, okay? I'm giving you 30 seconds exactly. I want food on my table. What are you ordering for me?
One I've already decided is this salmon avocado wasabi roll.
Okay, she's going for the most expensive items.
Shit. Since I have to pay, how does it matter?
She's not paying. Yeah, let's see salmon avocado roll. 8
Not
pieces, 330 calories. That's decent.
Not bad at all.
That's decent. We'll go with that. All Asian places have very cute menus.
That is true. Even Yuki has a very aesthetic menu.
Kuraku, Yuki, Daily Sushi, they all have very nice menus because they try to describe exactly कि खाने में क्या है, फोटो डालते हैं, मेन्यू भी बहुत क्लीन अच्छा दिखता है. One crisp Diet Coke to start us off. That's tuna, wasabi. Let's send it Bobby's. I pretend to know how to use chopsticks, but I don't actually.
Let's put some.
That tastes damn fresh. Surprisingly, I'm enjoying raw sushi. Wasabi, and that's a lot of it. Oh my god. I put too much. Fuck. My nose, oh my god. She's putting ginger on the maki. Brother, that ginger is to clean your palate, not for you to...
My life marvelous.
Guys, this is the chicken gochujang, which Shefali was the most excited for.
Yes, because gochujang is a very popular thing, right?
Gochujang is very popular. I am hearing it for the first time. Sounds like a warrior's name. Gochujang. Did you just... It's loaded with chicken. I'm pretty sure that's very high protein. That's really good. The gochujang is really good. I would have liked it to be a little more spicy though. Look at that, it's loaded with chicken. Let me try it with soy sauce. Oh, at the bottom there's rice. I didn't realize there's rice. I thought it's just chicken. Okay. That's really good. Diet Coke refill. You know, people out there tell me that you should pour it slowly and don't let the fizz go out. It makes no difference. Oh my god. The reason salmon and avocado go so well together is because they both are literally just like fat. They melt in your mouth. Let's taste this. And this is the best sushi I put in my mouth today. Ooh, thank you, brother. Guys, just look at that. That's the grilled chicken skewers. Oh, this tastes like the one we ate at Kuraku.
Exact same.
I'm not a fan of this Asian preparation of chickens. It has like some flavor of fish sauce in it.
It's fishy and eggy, you know?
Correct. So the thing in between is called leek vegetable. Man, we literally downed 24 pieces of sushi in less than 20 minutes. That's the thing with sushi, okay? It's low calorie, but it's also so small that it just slides in. Last piece of sushi here, guys. Cheers. Overall, what's your experience like? Do you see yourself coming back here?
Yeah, bro, I actually do for that gochujang thing and that maki thing.
The reason I see myself coming here is, number one, it's on Church Street, right? And we come here quite often. And if we ever want sushi, instead of going to Indiranagar for Yuki, I would just drop by here. Guys, bill is here and Shefali is going to guess how much it is.
No matter how much it is you are paying, so I'm going to guess 2.2k.
Guys, she gave off, no? Gaan chili full, she told she'll pay. Check how much. How much? 2.7k. Here's the bill. Tuna maki, spicy chicken, yakitori, salmon avocado and one Diet Coke. Not too expensive. Shefali is saying it's expensive, but I'm telling her that, you can't compromise on sushi quality. Good quality fish is expensive. We were here for 30 minutes. We ate for 30 minutes and the bill 2,700.
30 minutes, 3,000 rupees.
So it's either that we eat too fast or the prices of food is just going up.
It is true, na? Everything is increasing a lot. Think about it.
Inflation is real, guys. I think I need a job now. Should I take a job full time?
You want one? I'll give you one.
You'll give me a job at...
My assistant.
I can be your assistant?
Yeah.
How much does it pay?
Around 1 lakh rupees.
You'll pay me 1 lakh?
Yes.
What, 1 lakh a month?
A year.
She says she'll pay me 1 lakh a year to be her assistant. You know what? That 1 lakh, I'll be your assistant. You start paying for all our food dates.
No need, it's okay.
Bro, fine bro, you become my assistant. You start doing all my work. I will pay you 30,000 a month.
60,000.
I only don't make 60 da.
Fine, I'll settle for 31.5.
So daily sushi में हम लोगों ने 4 आइटम खाए और एक था डाइट कोक. Calories count किए and total was only 1,200 or max to max 1,300 calories. So out of that, I ate 700 and Shefali ate about 500-600. Right? So we've not eaten much. So I'm thinking now if we should grab something or just fuck it and go home. Guys, we decided कि fuck it. 700 calorie में dinner हो गया तो हो गया. Now we are going to Nike to pick up my shoes. आ चुके हैं. Warehouse से इन लोगों ने मंगवाए हैं. We'll go pick it up and then we'll just go home. Shoes have been acquired. That's it for this vlog. See you guys in the next one.